To solve this question, the first thing you have to do is to do what? To expand this bracket. So that we have 5 minus times 2x is what? Minus 2x. Then we have minus times minus is what? Plus. Then we have 3 is equal to 4x plus 1. So the next thing you have to do is to do what? Collect like terms. So here we have 5. This is a plus 3. Then we have plus 1 coming in. So when plus is crossing to this side, it changes to what? Minus 1, which is equal to, we have 4x here already. Now this is a minus coming here, it changes to what? Plus 2x. Right? Then you add up everything. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1, 8. Sorry, 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7, is equal to 4x plus 2x is what? 6x. So you divide both sides by the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is 6. So we have 6 cancel 6, we have x remaining 7 over 6. So we have that our x is equal to 7 over 6, or you say 1 whole number 1 over 6. So this is our answer. Bye.